This is what I have wanted the whole time. No one has ever given me a knife.
Imagine I
keep
trust
it
you
in
with a
there.
knife.
I know, I love it. I'm so excited. I think the first thing that we have to tell people is that I have literally never cooked in my life. And now I'm cooking with you. And you said cooking can be accessible.
Of course.
So I would like to use this knife and chop things close to my fingers. Would that work?
As long as you don't cut your fingers?
No, I think I will probably.
No,
but
you
you
won't.
said I can. I
Yes.
can.
Yes.
Let me cut something. Just
you are
one
gonna
thing.
cut. You're gonna
Okay.
cut not one thing. You're cutting everything we're gonna use.
Cool.
We're
Is
good
this
with
one
that?
for me? Do I just eat that?
Don't stop biting into the lemon for me.
But I love
We
it.
need this.
It's like an apple, except it's salty.
Look how much I think it's accessible.
I know, I'm
You're
so
gonna
excited.
cut this off,
Uh-huh.
and I'm gonna be holding it.
Oh, no, I would
Yalla.
not put your hand there.
It's not at risk.
No, my
Cut
God,
it
you're a
here.
chef.
Cut it here.
Ya Allah. Okay, just one thing.
Take your
Am I
time.
going like this, or am I going like that?
Both work.
Okay. بس صباح هيك يا زلمة. Don't put your fingers. Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Please watch your hand. Wait, I didn't get all the way through. It's mushy. Wait, this is so much fun. You know what? Cooking is fun.
Thank you.
Wow. They should have let me.
How difficult was this?
It was stressful because the knife didn't go all the way through. I expected it to be, you know.
It took 3 seconds and it was easy.
Okay.
صح؟
Now, is this ready? We got this from Navid. She's the cutest thing ever. من وين؟ من وين؟ Where's the olive oil from?
بجالة.
Ah.
مش دردبوان.
Not as good as the one. The
No.
ones, the olive
A
oil is
million
like
times
gold.
better than
زي
the
الذهب. طب أنا بكيت بدي أشاومة. عندي.
يلا ها.
Yeah, this is beautiful. How do you not flip? What do I do?
You just stir it when it starts cooking.
Okay.
And I think you should
Increase.
increase it a tiny bit.
This way?
Yeah, just turn it this.
Oh no, it's flickering. It's making the
Very
flickering.
good. خلاص, perfect. Well done.
Okay, Bismillah. There's no way. Oh, I think I might do it. Yeah!
Thank
There
you.
go.
Now,
I'm good at shaking things.
good.
I can shake things
Reduce
if
the
you
fire,
need.
reduce the heat. Keep your eye on the
Oh my God, watch two things. So what do I do with that?
Serve
Okay, do I have like a big spoon?
with this one.
With that one. Okay. I am absolutely fearless. Except I sat on your counter and got yelled at, so now I have a little fear. حطيت البزر, all the seeds are in there, Fadi.
Of course.
Do you want the seeds for bitterness?
Yes.
Okay. That's not how we do it.
You're worried about salt.
And
Totally.
I'm
I
so
know.
excited. This is Palestinian Dead Sea salt. How much? How much? I don't want to oversalt it.
A large pinch.
A large pinch.
So how does your mother or your grandmothers used to cook? They would say kamsha, which means
Yeah.
handful,
Chabsha. Yeah.
rasha,
Rasha.
sprinkle.
Yeah. Ehna, we would say chabsha or rasha. This definitely needs more salt though, I can tell.
You use too many.
Mahna falahin. We speak with a cha. I have a different accent because you're from the elite. I'm from the farmer class.
No, wait.
I'm
You're
on
from
more
Del
down.
Debuan,
Yeah.
which is the elite. So don't give me this elite bullshit. You live in a palace.
I do live
Of
in
stone.
a house of stone. They need to be brown
Yeah.
or gray.
Nothing is gray in this kitchen.
I love samak. I love samak. When I became a vegetarian, I started eating the imsakhan bread
Yeah.
because I love it. This is so much fun. It's like all the TV shows I ever watched. I watch cooking shows obsessively.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is so pretty.
But this is not stressful.
No, but like you see the way they throw the spices. That's why. Oh, this is so pretty. It changed all its color. This is so pretty. Oh, I want to hit things. Please خليني أضرب الشيء. خلص فادي خلص. بدي يحرق هذا. Okay.
Hit this one.
في إيش? You did with your hand. سويت بإيدك.
Yes.
Oh, we lost it.
It's okay.
آخر مرة.
كمان مرة.
Okay.
With this part of your hand.
With this part, Fad?
This part.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so look at the difference.
Okay.
Look,
Yes.
that's the one I did. That's the one she smashed the shit out of. You're lucky we went to cut them into pieces.
And then, of course, you know, if someone cooks and they don't want to, the food is shitty. لازم يكون عندك نفس.
Exactly, that's the magic word, nifs.
نفس. شو نفس feeling, Deezy?
It has no translation.
It doesn't, right?
Nifs is a combination of
Desire.
the desire, the hospitality, the breath, as
Yeah, nefas.
in nefas, and I think, you know, when I shot the series Teta's Kitchen, every Teta I cooked with, I would ask her, but what's the secret? Like, why is your makruba better than the one I do?
Right.
Or why is your msakhan better? And they would all answer the same thing, nafas.
Nefs. Yeah.
And that's the magic of...
That's what it is. It's like, I'm telling you, I have eaten the most simple dishes. بس لما النفس موجود, it really works out. Thank
That's
you.
the loof.
Yes. Okay, time out. This is called luft. We have
Did you
no
see how
idea
she
what
just
this
did
is
this?
in English.
It is, it's the leaves of the black iris.
I know, but can you not? Like, but stay in the video. It's the leaves of the black iris.
She's a dictator.
I am. I know. That's why I'm going to become president of Palestine. It's going to be awesome.
Oh God, that's the day I move
Listen,
out.
this is called luft. And it's
Loof,
poison.
loof,
Loof, like
loof
loof,
is
loof.
turnips. Loof.
Loof, like loofah?
Yes.
Okay.
Like fool written upside down.
Oh, wow. That's actually a really good way to remember it. This is luft. And this is the leaves of a black iris. And the stem is poisonous. And they actually sold it to me. So now, look at which I am, mashallah. I have poisonous luft stems. Thank you, Fadi. Thank you.
I did not give her the stems. Nabil bears all
And
responsibility.
Nabil gave them to me for free.
I introduced her to Nabil, so I do bear a responsibility. For everybody who is a friend of mine and who I love in Dehesha camp, if you see this woman in the next 3 days, do not take green leaves from her.
Do not.
Do not.
not. Fadi,
Plant.
my first stand-up comedy show ever in Arabic was here in Bethlehem.
I
I
know.
want to do that. I want to do
I
that.
know, it was
I
down
wanna
the
do
street
that.
there.
I want to do
right?
that.
It was down the
I
street
want to
there.
do that. Yes.
It was in Dar al-Nadwa.
That and that.
I know, I remember.
Everybody said comedy wouldn't work in Palestine. Kadesh, no so? Half?
Whatever your heart says.
No, I need
Come
to
on.
understand.
It has to be like swimming in Tanya.
Swimming. Isbah. Yalla. Okay, I'm so excited. Bismillah. Here we go. Because coordination. Oops, sorry. I got your tongs.
Bravo.
Oh, it smells so good. We're putting all this in back in.
Yeah, bravo. Yalla, give it a stir and it's done.
No, I'm going to put more بس عشان انت قلت لي لا. ارتاحي, rest, have fun, absorb all the herbs.
Yes, yalla.
Do you talk to your food?
Yes, of course.
Okay, good.
Take the one behind you, the empty pan. A bit of olive oil.
That's scary.
Why is it scary?
Because oil
So,
is hot. Okay. You never let me do that.
Thought
I love that.
we're used to gas.
Fadi, this is the best way to cook. No.
What?
You za'atar the Lebanon, that was my job.
You're gonna do it. Don't worry. We need more za'atar. You're gonna do the za'atar of the Lebanon and the fresh huerna on the huerna.
Okay. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah?
How are you feeling?
Like I said, it's almost hypnotic, honestly. It's very artistic. It's fun.
I'm very happy you're enjoying it
I am.
because
Okay. Is this bad boy done?
no, this needs a bit of time.
How can I tell when it's done?
It needs to be aromatic. You're
Okay.
still not
Yeah,
smelling much.
Yeah, no, I feel that.
I don't do like this. Like I want
That's
it.
what I'm doing.
I do just like this.
Holy shit, I want to do that. هات واحدة جديدة. هاي خربتها. Okay,
You
okay.
just
I
hold
got
the
it.
head.
Okay, شلح this
شلح.
stuff. I am going to strip this za'atar. يلا. No!
It's okay, it's okay.
It worked!
Yeah.
It worked! I learned how to do za'atar now.
Bravo.
Oh my God. Is this time? In English, za'atar? Is it time?
I used to love you.
What
Right
is
now,
it?
get
What
out of
is
the
it?
kitchen.
What is it? I don't know it.
Get out, go home.
Don't
Go back to
threaten
the
me.
US.
I have black iris stems and I will use
True.
them.
So, za'atar is not time.
What is it?
Za'atar is...
Do I need to strip another one?
No, that's
okay.
plenty. Oreganum syriacum.
Ah.
So it is from the family of oregano, but it's called Oreganum
I
syriacum
get that.
because it grows in that whole region of what was greater Syria. Palestinian, Syria, Lebanon.
Yeah.
It is not time, and it drives me crazy
When people say
when I
time.
see that people call it time.
Well,
Because
now you have me to
you know
correct
what's so
them.
wrong? It's if I call it time, then I am denying the origin of its belonging to this land. And thyme is something that grows around all the Mediterranean. It's not thyme.
Syrian oregano.
Exactly.
Nice. This is so pretty. انت خلص حبيبي ارتاح. God, this damn lemon. Leave me alone. I need peace and solitude in my kitchen, please.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you.
And then we have a surprise for you.
I'm so
We
excited.
did wara and kusa siami also.
Oh my God. Yes,
Yalla.
I'm so excited.
Go,
Thank you.
go wash your hands.
Okay,
Maysoon,
yes.
you did great.
I don't think I did great. I think I was exceptional, spectacular, and above average.
She doesn't have an ego at all.
I mean, think about it. Like, seriously, this is literally the first time I ever cooked. You fried an egg. I made khubeza.
Yeah, I didn't do much. You did most of this. And I just enjoyed watching
I think you did one of the most important things in the world, which was you removed the fear. And I have such a genuine love of food. Like, I really have a love of food. You can tell by my lamb chop arms. But once you remove the fear, it became very fun. And I've watched people cook. I watched my aunts and my mom and everybody cook around me. And to be part of it was extraordinary. And usually, like, I'm a comic. I'm a clown. None of this stuff ever moves me. This was extraordinary.
Thank you.
Because the shopping was such a big part of it.
But that's
like, this
Palestine.
is all from the land.
That's Palestine.
All of it.
That's
Yeah.
Palestine.
It reminded me, like, when I was a little kid, we had doot. We had, like, anib. And you would just go out and you would pick it and you would eat it. And, like, that was it. That
That's
was
what
life.
you're having.
And
What
here,
you're having is what was there.
and then we saw the women who sell it and like
Yeah.
care for it and the roots. But now I'm hungry. And also, by the way, these are spectacular. Is this from the tabun?
That's the tabun we got.
Oh wow. That's so nice.
تفضلي.
When abdi?
Wherever
لو
you
انت
want.
تبدي, what would be the first thing you tried? الخبازة
You said
أكيد.
mess, and I like this mess.
Yeah.
And I think with the za'atar and
Ma
the...
tshishach, yeah.
Open your mouth. It was supposed to be 2 bites. But because there's laban, she can't resist, right?
It's not.
صحتين.
That's interesting. The texture.
Thank you.
Yalla do getchi.
Yalla.
Try my food.
You know what I'm going to try? Your civic.
The civic looks so good. Have you ever had more fun cooking?
Honestly, no.
Have you? Thank you.
Because actually I didn't cook at all. I chopped an onion. What did I do? Yeah, I chopped an onion. You did the cooking. It was fantastic seeing you break down these barriers one after the other. Because the first barrier was the knife. Now, sincerely,
And the
I'm a
heat.
chef.
Yeah.
I work with these.
Yeah.
Do you think if
You would put your
I
hands.
thought there was 1% chance that you would injure me,
No.
I would leave my hand there? No.
No.
But I've cooked with enough people around the world to know that you will not injure me. And it worked.
Yeah.
It worked. All of it is
It
delicious.
removed fear. Oh my God, this is so good.
This is really good, right?
Oh my God, this is so good.
Let's see the khubeza.
صحتين. This is so good. And then, like, as a vegetarian, this is so simple.
That's the other thing. A lot of people think our food is not adapted to vegetarians. They think our food is meat heavy. What do you call this? Kusawara siyamin.
Yeah.
Why do you call it siyamin? It's
I don't know.
because during Ramadan, when people fast, when you break your fast, you break it with something that is light to your digestion. And Christians in Palestine, when they fast for Lent, they don't eat meat. So this is called siyami because of those 2 reasons.
Unreal.
Good, right?
This is unreal.
This or seaweed.
This is unreal.
And you see there's no tingling.
I can immediately feel, مش عشان هي حكتني, I can immediately feel that there's something in it that's a relaxer. There's something that relaxes because I can feel it. And it's weirdly delicious because it looks like grape leaves.
Yeah.
And I didn't know what the taste was going to be. And
It has
it's
that
delicious.
bitterness, which is, and I like.
I like it.
that.
I like it. I like it because it's one of those foods that has like 6 different tastes. Like you bite it, it's one thing. You swallow it, it's another thing. There.
Cool.
Fadi, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shukran.
Next time,
I'm very sorry.
you're cooking a meat
Mansaf.
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 A meat mansaf.
Mansaf.
Meat mansaf.
Kul inshallah.
Inshallah. صحتين. Thank you.
Cameras up. Aywa.